Do you feel like no matter what you do, you just can't burn fat and lose weight consistently? Do you feel like you can't have one small treat without gaining body fat? If so, it is very likely that you are suffering from a slow metabolism, which is causing you to store excess fat easily, and making it extremely hard for you to lose even small amounts of weight. Inside this video you will discover 7 metabolism-boosting foods that are proven to kickstart the female metabolism and get you burning fat fast. 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is known as a powerful metabolism stimulant. Start your day by squeezing half a lemon into a glass of water to kickstart fat burning. 2. Black coffee. Black coffee is also a powerful metabolism stimulant, especially when consumed first thing in the morning. For maximum fat burning, drink a cup of black coffee upon waking, followed by 30 minutes of cardio on an empty stomach. 3. Berries. Berries are packed full of antioxidants and fiber, but contain a very small amount of sugar compared to most fruits, making them a low-calorie but satisfying snack. Try snacking on strawberries, blackberries, or blueberries next time you feel those 3 p.m. sugar cravings. 4. Salmon. Wild salmon is extremely low glycemic, which means it doesn't trigger insulin spikes and subsequently fat storage. It also contains the most healthy omega-3 fatty acids than any other food. 5. Grapefruit. Grapefruits are a powerful metabolism-stimulating food because it helps your body become more effective with how it uses insulin, meaning that it helps your body to stay in fat-burning mode for longer periods of time. 6. Walnuts. Walnuts are great for increasing fat burning as they improve the way your body uses insulin, much like grapefruit. This means that they help your body to process carbohydrates without storing them as fat. 7. Kale. Kale is an alkaline food that is high in fiber, meaning that it slows down the release of glucose into the system. It is also packed full of energizing iron and peace-inducing magnesium, which helps to simultaneously energize and relax the body, reducing fat storing and harmful stress hormones. If you want to discover the best ways to utilize these fat-burning foods with quick and easy fat-burning recipes that will taste just like your favorite meals and boost your metabolism at the same time, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/fat-burning-recipes or click the link in the description below. Try incorporating as much of these 7 metabolism-boosting foods into your daily eating routine as possible. Your body will thank you for it with a skinnier, more energetic you. If you're serious about burning your stubborn body fat fast, and would like to discover the one veggie you need to stop eating to lose 1 pound of belly fat every 72 hours, then go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below. Inside this free video, you will discover how Sharon, a 43-year-old overweight mom from St. Louis, Missouri, dropped 41 pounds of stubborn belly fat by cutting out one veggie from her diet. To watch the free video, go to www.femalefatburningsecrets.com/free-video. Or click the link in the description below right now.